Breakups are never easy. Even when you know the relationship was not right, your heart still takes time to accept it. You may keep asking yourself questions like, why did this happen? You may keep asking yourself questions like, was I not enough? You may keep asking yourself questions like, will I ever feel normal again? If you're going through a breakup right now, I want you to know something important. Your pain is valid and healing is possible. Let's talk about how to move on in a healthy and strong way. The first step in healing is acceptance. Many people try to act strong immediately. They might say, I'm fine or I don't care anymore. But inside, they are still hurting. It's okay to feel sad. It's okay to cry. It's okay to miss the memories. Healing begins when you allow yourself to feel your emotions instead of suppressing them. After a breakup, many women start blaming themselves. They may think maybe I wasn't good enough or maybe I should have done something differently. But relationships end for many reasons. Sometimes two people simply grow in different directions. Your worth is not defined by someone leaving your life. One of the hardest but most important steps is creating distance. Constantly checking their social media, reading old messages, or thinking about the past only slows down your healing. Give yourself space. Distance allows your mind and heart to reset. Breakups can actually become a powerful opportunity. Instead of focusing on what you lost, start focusing on what you can build. Ask yourself, what goals did I ignore before? Ask yourself, what hobbies do I enjoy? Ask yourself, what kind of life do I want to create? When you invest energy in your own growth, your confidence slowly returns. You don't have to go through this alone. Talk to people you trust. Spend time with family and friends. Share your feelings. Sometimes just being around supportive people reminds you that you are loved and valued. Step 6, be patient with healing. Healing is not a straight line. Some days you will feel strong, other days the memories may come back. That's normal. Don't rush the process. Give yourself time and kindness. Step 7, rebuild your self worth. One of the most important parts of moving on is rebuilding your self worth. Remember who you are outside the relationship, your dreams, your personality, your strengths. You are still the same valuable person you were before. If you're going through a breakup right now, I want you to remember this. A chapter ending does not mean your story is over. Sometimes life removes people to make space for better things. Use this time to grow, to rediscover yourself, and to become stronger. If this video helped you, comment below. I choose healing. And subscribe to Boss Lady Mindset for more videos on self growth, confidence, and emotional strength. You deserve love, peace, and happiness.